In this video, we're going to talk about why we picked the GoPro to be our vlogging camera.
I'm Kelley.
And this is our
adventures. Oh.
Here we go. Yeah.
Happy New Year! It's 2020 and we are ready to get started next month, starting with our traveling again. I know y'all missed us for the last few months. I did try to start a hunting channel. It's called Bill and Kelley's Hunting Adventures. I will leave a link to that if you want to go check that out. That was even harder than doing a vlogging about our trips. I took a lot of footage, but I'm not sure how much of it I'm going to put together because it just ended up being boring. To me, it's just the same thing over and over. So, I don't know. And the GoPro does not work for a hunting channel, I'll tell you that. I hope everyone has had a wonderful 2019. 2020 is going to be even better, and I'm excited. We have several trips already planned. We have more that we're going to have to incorporate and do, but we do have several. I do want to do, I've got this video and another video that I'm going to do. I had promised y'all back in July that I would show you how I did the cool photos with my iPhone to do a long exposure. I'm going to try to do that video in the next week or two as well and record it. If you're looking to start vlogging, you can do anything. You can use anything to vlog. Heck, I got the new iPhone 11 Pro and this camera is amazing. There is so many times now that I've been snatching this up to record with because the camera is so good. It has a wide angle lens. It has a close lens. You can get like a total range. Even night, not really night, it's called night mode, but used to when you would record with your iPhone, it would be dark, especially if it was low light. Now it brightens it up. It looks totally different than it used to be. So this iPhone 11 Pro, we're going to be doing a lot more videos with it. I did if you didn't see it, our Christmas video. It was totally done with my iPhone. And I thought that it turned out cool. We've been vlogging for 2 years now. And I have absolutely loved it. It is harder than what I thought. We absolutely love sharing our lives. When I first started, I had like a big camera that I started out with. And I thought, oh, I'll just use this. Well, it was heavy. It was heavier than I thought. And it just wasn't, from us, it wasn't practical. I know a lot of vloggers that have big cameras and they do that. For me, I feel like we get just as good footage with our GoPros. When we started out, we had like a 4 and a 6. Now I have a 7. And before we went to the 7, we set up our GoPro 6 with a Rode mic because we didn't like the sound quality of it. But this new 7, I'm really impressed with the sound quality. The only time that I use my Rode mic now is like if it's something that I need, like if I'm trying to pick up somebody's voice far away or whatever. Because when you have that GoPro with the Rode mic on top of it, it is an attention grabber and people keep staring and looking at you.
This looks like a boom mic. It is. I love it.
Bill's like, can we just do it without that? Now, all we vlog with is my Hero 7. I use the 7 and then my 6s, I have 1 7 and 2 6s, and I use the 2 6s as backup for different angles and different stuff. Kind of more of a B-roll thing. The stabilization on the GoPro 7 is so good. I always thought that I needed a gimbal, and we did buy a gimbal, but then you remember Billy the Kid possessed it. Link to video up above, and it wouldn't work anymore. All right, let me say it worked, but it made weird noises all the time. But then that's just something else bigger you have to carry around with you. I feel on the GoPro 7, I can get anything I want and be fine. I know there is a few things that I would love to be able to do on the GoPro 7 that you can't do. Like sometimes when you focus in on an object and then you can change the focus over to something else. I think if I had a manual focus, that would be cool if you could have that option to do a manual focus when you needed it or when you wanted it. I know most people use their Gorilla Pod to hold their camera, but I have found this little lightweight tripod that I absolutely love. I'll link the Amazon link below. It is just sleek and easy. It's lightweight. It can bend, so it can bend around stuff. And it's just, I love it. It's so lightweight, which what we want, because I don't want something heavy carrying around. I just want to carry a lightweight camera. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel in 2020, I would do like a GoPro, or you can even do your iPhone. Like I said, the new iPhone is amazing. It is like the camera on it, the video is even, it's just so good. The only negative I would say to a GoPro is I can't look. It doesn't have a flip up screen, so I can't see what I'm doing, but it has such a wide angle that I usually know I'm in the shot. I mean, like I would have to put the camera up here before it wasn't in the shot. Plus, we've been doing it for 2 years. I've kind of learned what's in the shot and what's not by just holding it and aiming it. Bill, he's still learning that. He's like, well, do you think I got it? Like, yeah, I know, we got it. Because I'm used to it now. I've been doing it for 2 years. Well, we've probably been doing it about 1.5 years with the GoPro. Because the first 6 months we used a Canon. If you're looking to get into YouTubing and want to do a channel, you can do it with anything you want. The biggest thing is just to go do it. Don't think about it. Luckily, when I said, oh, I think I'm gonna do a YouTube channel, I just went and did it. I'm sure I failed. Some of my first videos are like horrendous and horrible. The biggest thing is just to be yourself. Because when I first started, I felt like I had to talk proper, and gosh knows now, y'all know I don't talk proper. I like slur my words sometimes. I'm like, ugh. And I have a great Southern accent. You know, y'all. But if you're just wanting to start a YouTube channel, just go do it. Don't procrastinate. Don't think that you need the right equipment or you've got to have like all this expensive stuff. You can do it on anything. You can do it on your phone, and you can just use iMovie that's free on the computer to edit with. You don't have to have expensive editing problems. Just get out there and go and do it. This year, I've always said that I did not care about growing our channel. Not saying that I didn't care about growing it. That kind of sounds wrong. I don't care about y'all. No, that's not it. I do. This year, we grew 100 subscribers our first year, another 100 subscribers our second year. But I haven't consistently pressed to try to grow our channel more. I'm really hoping to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of this next year. So my goal for 2020 is to have 1,000 subscribers at the end of this year. So like, subscribe, ring the bell notification, tell all your friends about our channel, and come with us and enjoy all our trips. Till next time.